Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at the Ryobi 1 Plus 18 volt cordless stick vacuum cleaner. This was an impulse buy while I was in Home Depot. I bought it probably 6 months ago. At the time it was $200. It looks like it's $179 now. But I have several carpets in the garage and the shop, and I figured this would be a great way to clean those off. The vacuum does amazingly well on hard surfaces. Loki, the mischievous kitten, has no fear. The little light on the front works well in dimly lit rooms, but even when there's bright light, it still works pretty well. Shows you all kinds of dirt on the floor. Just pop a fresh battery in and you're ready to go. I'm not really the type of guy to ask for help, but if you want to see more of my content, please like and subscribe. That way I know I'm not just yelling down an empty echo chamber. This rug has different heights of material on it, but it handles it no problem. This is like a matte style rug. Once again, no problem. This rug is like a super 70s shaggy carpet style. And there's a problem, but it wasn't the vacuum's fault. This welcome mat's like a Brillo pad material. The girlfriend really digs it for the stairs because it's light, it's easy to maneuver, and stairs are always a pain in the rear. She also likes it because much like JCVD, it can do the splits and go underneath the couch or the bed. It comes with 2 attachments, a crevice tool, and a little brush for, I don't know, furniture or something. But let's talk about some of the negatives. The canister itself is easy enough to empty, but sometimes when you bang on it, that little rubber grommet gasket thing at the bottom will pop off. So just be aware of that when you empty it so you don't lose it. On the first day I bought it and I put everything together and went to mount it on the wall, I had a heck of a time with this little bracket they give you. They didn't put much thought into it. This is the only way I could get the vacuum to hang from the wall. If you mount it or hang it in any other position, the vacuum falls right off. And when it's upside down, it just looks wrong to me. But in this position, it does securely hold the vacuum. The roller's easy to get out with a flathead screwdriver, which is good because you'll have to clean all the hair that it collects on it. The last thing, using it without the wand is doable, but you wouldn't want to do it for very long because it is kind of heavy in your hand. So I'd choose another vacuum like for the car or the couch cushions or something. So what do I think? I think if you already have Ryobi batteries, this thing's a no-brainer. If you don't, the price point's pretty hard to pass up at $180. There are cordless vacuums out there for $700-800, which is ridiculous in my opinion. This thing isn't the perfect cordless vacuum, but it's good enough for me. Green thumbs up. Thank you so much for your time you took to watch this. I'll see you guys in the next one.